Welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is Search the Tool Finder in Sheets. Previously in Google Sheets, it was hard to find the tools you needed to complete your spreadsheets unless you knew where the tool was located. Google has created a new search feature that allows you to search for the tool you want to use with a few strokes of the keyboard. Let's look at how to search for tools or menus using the Tool Finder in Sheets. Open Google Chrome. Open Google Sheets. Open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one. For this demonstration, I will open an existing spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, we want to find out which price is higher. Click the cell you want to put the function or tool in. In the top left, under the title of the document, click on the magnifying glass and type Insert Function: rank. And then click Insert Function: rank. Once the tool or function is inserted, complete it. Highlight cells A14 and B14. Click the magnifying glass again and type in Fill Color Green and click Fill Color Green. You will notice that the prices are ranked and that the highest is now highlighted green. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.